so we're jumping right into it here with the primer. I know I said it's not a tutorial, but I mean, I'm just explaining what I'm doing, I guess, whatever. But yeah, I'm just using the e.l.f. primer all over my face, really putting it on my nose to hide the oils and all of that. Y'all know what I'm doing. I could just watch. So to really commemorate the next video, or why I'm doing my makeup in general, I had to bring out the Fenty. I'm in the shade 430 because if you came from my other video that will be linked in the cards above, we did a Fenty skin unboxing. So I had to, I had to honor Rihanna with the Fenty. I had to. So I just used a little bit of foundation because I really wanted it to be more like a BB cream. I didn't want too much on my face really because it was just for filming purposes. I literally washed my face right after I was done. So yeah, I'm just going over with the beauty blender just to further pat it into my skin. I'm just using the e.l.f. Camel 16-hour Camel Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut. And y'all, I had to work really fast with this concealer because it dries down like that. Like, I know the video is sped up, but trust me, I spent a good minute blending out this concealer. I'm not really doing too much with this look, honestly. I'm not contouring, no reverse contouring or whatever. I'm just literally putting on the concealer, gonna set my face as regular, put on some powder, some blush, highlight, and that's it. We ain't doing too much with this look, alright? We really not doing too much. And I'm watching a Cleveland show, so that's why I'm like talking to myself or whatever and laughing. But yeah, I get the gist.
GC on the track.
I'm literally just using this powder to really set the rest of my face and then to blend it into my under eyes, just to make sure I bring warmth back into my face. I guess you could say I was also using it as a bronzer. Like I said, I was not contouring, none of that. So yeah. fight with the blush because it is super pigmented. Like, I sometimes use this blush as an eyeshadow. When I'm going for like a one color eyeshadow, I would just brush this over my eyelid. But yeah, it's super pigmented. So I just went back with the brush that I used to put my face powder on, just to kind of blend the blush a little bit more and not make it as pigmented on me.
GC on the track.
So here I'm just going in with the Huda palette because that's literally the only eyeshadow palette that I had with me. I was not going back to look for others, and besides, like I said, filming purposes, so I didn't really care. I just wanted something simple over my eyes. But yeah, it took me a minute to decide what I wanted to do, but you know, I figured it out. So I was literally just going back and forth with those two colors, the two browns in that palette, and yeah, I did that one color look and that was it. I really could not choose between these two lashes. They both look really cute, but I went for the long short one on the left or right of you, I don't know, but yeah, I went with that one. And I'm just taking it out the box to show you a better view of how the lashes look. And I popped those bad boys on off camera because I could not be fighting them on camera. Y'all couldn't see that. But then I'm just going in with my lip oil, Citrus Lemonade, because I wanted to prep my lips for later. But y'all see the gloss? Y'all see that shine? God bless. Y'all see the look came together in the end. Like, in the beginning, it was looking iffy. I was looking ashy, busted. Like, what? But y'all see the results, like, it's coming together. So there literally is not a right way. I believe there's not a right way for you to do your makeup, as long as it's a way that's right with you. Like, you're fine by it, you like what you do, you like how the outcome is, you're fine, sis. Like, you're still popping either way. You don't need to do all of that extra stuff. You really don't. You really don't. I have no eyeliner on, no contour, and the look is still fine. I like how it looks, so that's what counts. As long as you like your finished product, you're good. You are good. The tail of that eyebrow is literally getting me upset, but it's okay, it don't matter. Moving on to the highlight, I had to drop the MAC and go reach for the trophy wife because, like I said, we are honoring Brianna in this video. You know, we're bringing out the trophy wife, and yeah, the highlight just shook me right there because it's been a minute since I reached for this. I didn't. If you've ever used trophy wife, then you know that first swipe, it literally snatches your whole soul. You gotta recuperate and come back. But yeah, just doing that, and then I'm going over it with the Too Faced. I think it's Light Up My World. I don't know. I showed y'all on the screen. But yeah. regular brown lip liner, you don't really need nothing special. I mean, you don't really need a lip liner because I was just using a regular lip gloss, one of Fenty lip glosses. But I just feel like it looked much better with a lip liner, especially for this particular look. I don't know, it just tied everything together with my eyes looking all smoky, that grunge 90s brownish mauve look. I don't know, but yeah, it looked better with the lip liner to me. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it because I really like it. It's something really simple, you know, not too much, not too many products on. I wanted the foundation to mimic like a BB cream, so I didn't do too much. I didn't layer it to be, you know, I didn't layer it, y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, and I just got like 2 shadows on my eye, and I do have pink glitter in the corner though. But I feel like the lashes kind of like elevated and like brought the entire look together, made it seem more than what it is, which is really cool. So I hope you guys like it. I'm getting Marilyn Monroe vibes from this hair though, even though it's like far from it. But I kind of like the color, you know, I like the red. I like how it's like showing. I did mention before that the last wig that I colored, I only wanted the color to kind of show in the light or in the sun, but this one you can see it like up front, which is really cool. I really like it. It looks nice curled and not straight. It looks weird straight. At this point I'm rambling, but thank you guys so much for watching. It wasn't really like a makeup tutorial, just to show you guys like how I get ready for a video, or like the simple makeup looks that I do. You know, for something simple, it's not really too much. I feel like the lashes, like I said before, brought the whole thing together. You could do the simplest thing, but you know, lashes will always bring a look together. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. My next video will be in the cards above or in the description box down below. I feel like I'm always saying that I will link something down below, but I never do. But this time I got y'all. It will be in the description box down below. If not, you know, it'll be in the end cards, but definitely check that video. I'm super excited for you guys to see that video. I'm super excited to film that video. It literally just got here today, and I was like, okay, I need to do this video today and get it out the way. Bars. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, at this point I'm rambling. This video does not need to be longer than it is. Just head on over to the next video. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said a million times, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.